Hello students, welcome to second session of Exponents. In our first session, we have seen all the exponential laws which were used, which were explained and how we arrived to them. And now this will be a continuation part of power of exponential powers, where we are going to practically use all those laws in solving the problems. Clear? Now, let's recall what were the laws. The laws were that a by b power m equal to a upon m and b upon m. The second law was a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Third, a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So this was second law, this was third, and the fourth one was a power 0 is equal to 1. Fifth one, a power minus n is equal to a power n. And sixth was a by b power minus m is equal to b by a power m. And the seventh one was a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. How we reached to all these laws were explained. Now we will be solving problems related to these laws. Now let's take first example as 5 by 5 power minus 3. Now this question will be ruling using this rule. Now, this can be written as 1 by 5 power 3, which is nothing but 1 by 5 into 5 into 5. That is 1 by 25 into 5 is 125. Clear? Now, second example, where we will be solving 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0 plus 5 power 0 by 2 power 0. Clear? Now, here 2 power 0 will be using fourth law. 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 1 is 3 by 1, which is 3. So when you are solving the problems without hesitation, if you remember the laws, the solution becomes very easy and quickly you can solve the problems. Let's take one more example of how to solve the problem. Like the question is 3 by 8 power minus 2. It's 3 by 8 power minus 2 into 4 by 5. 4 by 5 power minus 3. So, how we are going to solve this? Here, we have any first law what you will be using? Simply seeing the negative power, it's better to reverse it and write it as 8 by 3 power 2 into 5 by 4 power 3. Clear? Now this is a by b and this is c by d. Powers are also different. So what we'll be doing, simply 8 into 8 by 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 by 4 into 4 into 4. Clear? When we have simplified in this form, we can easily cancel it. Clear? We are left with 125 by 9. Clear? We are left with 125 by 9, which is the simplest method to solve the problem. Now, what we'll be doing is, we will be taking one more example. The next example is, now let's take the examples as 2 power minus 1, 5 power minus 1, whole power minus 1, 4 power minus 1. So all numbers having negative power. So what we'll be doing is, we will be writing it as 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 whole power minus 1 divided by 1 by 4. Clear? What we did first step, we removed all the negative powers inside the bracket and outside. Now this will become 1 by 10 power minus 1 divided by 1 by 4. Third step, you are going to reverse this and remove the power, that is 10 power 1. 10 power 1 is 10 only. Now divide will change to multiply and this 1 by 4 will become 4 by 1. So this is 10 by 1, we have taken reciprocal, here also we have taken reciprocal. This reciprocal is not because of minus 1, this is because of the simple basic mathematical operation where division is performed as multiply. We are taking reciprocal of this and multiplying it. So the answer becomes 40. Clear? Now, again using the same rule, we are going to solve one more example. Here it is 4 power minus 1 plus 8 power minus 1. Again 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 2 power 1. Clear? Now this LCM is 8. So this is 2 plus 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 2. So this becomes 3 by 8 divided by 3 by 2. Again 3 by 8. Reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. 3 cancel, 1 4. The answer is 1 by 4. Here we have seen application of 4th rule, application of 5th rule, and many places we have seen application of 6th rule also. Now we'll see few more examples. Now we'll apply 2 more laws on this. For next example is minus 3 by 2 power 2 whole power minus 3. Among these, which laws will be used? We are going to use the 7th law. Minus 3 by 2 power 2 into minus 3 is minus 3 by 2 power minus 6. 2 3s are 6 and negative sign is allotted. Negative sign is there, so you will be changing it as 6. 2 power 6, as we have a negative sign and even power, negative sign will go in the answer. 2 multiplied 6 times is 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 and 32 2s are 64. Similarly, 3 when multiplied 6 times will lead to 729. Clear? Now, this solution done. Now, a different type of question where verify 2 into 3, that is a into b power minus m is equal to a power minus m into b power minus m. Now we will be solving it by negative power 2 into 3. Now we'll see that 2 into 3 power minus 3 will be using 5th law and we will be writing it as 1 by 2 into 3 whole power minus 3 plus 3. Yeah? Now, this one, treating 2 by 3 as b, will be allotting the powers to both. That means 1 cube, 1 by 2 cube and into 1 by 3 cube. Clear? This is nothing but 1 cube is 1, 2 cube and 1 3 cube will be 2 power minus 3 into 3 power minus 3. So we started with LHS, we reached RHS, hence verified. Clear? We can see many varieties of problem on this. Now we will be saying that by which number a given number is to be multiplied so as to get the resultant. Now, for that, we will be considering by what number should minus 1 by 2 power 1 be multiplied so that the product is minus 5 by 4 power minus 1. By what number should 1 by 2 power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product is minus 5 by 4 power 1. So mathematically this can be represented as, by what number should 1 by 2 power 1 be multiplied to get minus 5 4 power minus 1. So we have framed the equation. Now using the laws, this will become 2 into x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Here. Now to make this x alone, we will be taking 2 towards this side. That is, x is equals to minus 4 by 5 into 2. That means x is equal to minus 2 by 5. How it is? 1 and minus 2. So this implies x is equals to minus 2 by 5. That is, when 1 by 2 power minus 1 is multiplied by minus 2 by 5, we will get the answer as minus 5 by 4 power minus 1. Let's take the other example. Now, by what number should minus 3 by 2 power minus 1 be divided so that the quotient is 9 by 4 power minus 2? Mathematically, this can be represented as minus 3 by 2 power minus 1 divided by x is equal to 9 by 4 power minus 2. Now removing the minus sign, this becomes minus 2 by 3 divided by x is equal to 4 by 9 power minus 2. Clear? 4 by 9 power minus 2. Now, when we solve this, the x will go towards this side and this is going to be minus 2 by 3 is equal to 4 2s are 4 4s are 16 by 9 9s are 81 into x. Clear? To get the value of x, minus 2 by 3 into cross multiplying 81 by 16 is equal to x. On further cancellation, this is 1, this is 8, 3 1s are 3 27s are, and we will get the answer to be x is equal to minus 27 by 8. So we have seen an example where a given number is in exponential form, divided to get the quotient, multiplied to get the answer, to find the value of x. Now we will be seeing one more problem where we will be searching the powers as x. Here, the question was like this: simplify 125 divided by 25 is equal to 5 power x. Now, if such is the case, you need to find the value of x. How to find the value of x? See, we know that these three numbers can be written as a base of 5. So this will be written as 5 cube whole cube divided by 5 square is equal to 5 power x. Okay. Now as per the rule 7, this becomes 5 power 9 divided by 5 power 2 is equal to 5x. Now using third rule, 5 power 9 minus 2 is equal to 5 power x. 5 power 7 is equal to 5 power x. Here, as both the numbers are bases are same, we can equate the power and we can say that the value of x is 7. Because 5 power 7 is equals to 5 power x. Hence, x is equals to 7. So, using many rules in one problem, we can lead to the conclusion and find the value of x. We can trace a variety of problems for finding the values. Clear? Now, leading to the next topic where we will be using the scientific notation and expressing the given number in scientific form, where the powers will be taken and the numbers, both simple number will be expressed in the scientific notation and scientific numbers will be taken as simple form. Let's take that. Scientific notation. Rules to be followed for scientific notation. Where is the practical implication of this scientific notation? In physics, we many times use the exponential form where the scientific numbers are written and how to understand them. The first rule is a number expressed in the scientific notation should have the decimal point after the first non-zero digit. A number expressed in the scientific notation should have the decimal point after the first non-zero digit. First rule. The second one is the number of place decimal point is to be moved determines the exponent of 10. Basically, scientific notation, the base is taken as power of 10 is the base and power of 10 will tell you that how many places have you moved for the decimal point. Now, based on the second one, if the decimal point is moving towards right, from right to left, we take the power as positive. If the decimal is moving from left to right, we take the power of 10 as negative. Now, how to understand these statements in mathematical form is, we have taken 3 examples. Clear? One is a number where you can see no decimal is there. In the second one, there is decimal, and third also a decimal. Now we will be applying all these 3 rules on this. The first one says that if a number is written in scientific form, after the first non-zero number, the decimal should come. So the non-zero number decimal will come as 2.356. Clear? So we have kept it. Now, what will be the power of 10? The power of 10 will be, basically the decimal lies somewhere here. Now we are moving from right to left. So the power will be positive. How many positions the decimal is moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the power will be 6. Second question, already decimal is given. But based on the first rule, it should have after the first non-zero number. Clear? Now, coming to the third one. From which position the decimal is to be moved? The decimal is lying somewhere here, which is not following your first rule. So it will move towards 2 position towards left. Moving 2 position towards left will give you a positive power because you are moving from right to left. So 10 power 2. In this case, third one, non-zero number is 5. The decimal will be coming after 5. 5.678 into 10 to the power of something. Now we will be using this one because the decimal is existing somewhere in the left, and to make it as non-zero 5 point, we need to move the decimal towards right. Now from left to right, how many positions the decimal is moving? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be written as 10 to the power of minus 5. We have seen the rule of scientific notation, how we are using it. Now we'll write the numbers. See, we have normal numbers written in exponential form. We'll take few examples where we will be mentioning scientific notation to the number form. Now, we have written normal number in scientific notation. We will be writing scientific notation in normal number form. So, here we need not follow the rules which we used there, but we will be just seeing the power and putting the 0. Now, you can write it as 900,876. the second number as 3079. Clear? And this one as 2001. Now, we will look to the power of 10. It's minus 4. Minus 4 means 1 is here. See, minus tells you that you are moving towards, the decimal will be coming towards somewhere left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? 4 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you have moved your decimal from this to 9 point, you have kept a power as minus 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Clear? Now from this step you need to go upstairs and from the upper step to the next step. Here it is minus 3. So minus 3 means 1 and 2. Here it is 5. 5 means you need to go towards right. So 2.1, 2, 3. Already 3 numbers are mentioned. You need to go for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the numerical form. Now in short, if we recap, if power is positive, you will move towards right. If power is negative, you will move towards left. So with this, I hope scientific notation is also clear. We will be ending our session for today and we'll meet soon with the next session. Thanks for now.